What's going on, everybody? Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Out in the countryside and do another video because I kind of messed it up a bit. I'm on my way to the location. I actually did some few pictures on Instagram. If you guys want to know my Instagram, it is on screen, or I can just say it is Black Dragonrider 25 up on screen. Also, the link is down in the description if you want to take a look. Everybody wants to know what happened to Rex. If you guys have not been on my Instagram or Facebook and you don't know what happened to Rex, this is the video what happened to Rex.
Yeah, what's going on? Okay, now. Wow. Yep.
So that's what happened to Rex. She was really ill, and it's my fault. Well, and my mate's fault as well. Let me explain to you what happened to Rex. And this is actually a long story. So I was at my friend's house. There were two things that was supposed to be done to sort out my motorcycle. It was the fuel hose and the gasket for the end cap. It was two things that needs to be sorted. So when we got into the garage and we got down to do my bike, my friend decided to undo earth cable. So when I saw him undoing my earth cable, I was like, man, what are you doing? Man, that's my earth cable. And he's like, oh crap, sorry. And I said, oh, don't worry, I'll sort it out next time. The biggest problem was that I didn't sort it out there and then. So that's my mistake. Oh, look at this beautiful view. Oh man, I miss going out in the byways. Really miss it. Yeah, so he undid my earth cable and we sorted out two things, the gasket and the petrol hose. Now, when it was my time to leave, because it was getting dark and I obviously have the tinted visor, the bike started up fine. When I got to my grandparents' house, I'm still at my grandparents' house, by the way. I'm still trying to find myself a council house. My bike stalled, so I was like, okay, same as usual. You turn your engine back on, and my bike just wouldn't start. Let me reduce my speed. I was trying to start it. It just wouldn't start. And then I strong smell petrol, and I was like, okay, how come I'm smelling a strong smell of petrol? I looked around my bike. I thought it was the petrol hose. Let this car go past. So I looked around because I used my phone as a torch. Found nothing. So I was like, okay, but I wish that turn off the fuel tap, but I didn't, because the next morning I got a surprise. So I give him a wave with my foot. I better be like scratching going, what the heck? Did you just wave us on my foot? So there was poured petrol on the garage floor, and I wish I just turned off the tap, but I didn't. I just left it on. So I know next time, or if any of you guys been in this situation, remember to turn off the fuel tap. But if you got the old Sinnis Apache 125, if you got the newest update of the Sinnis Apache, the fuel injected, you'll be fine. Trust me, guys, you'll be fine. Yeah, I was trying to figure out, okay, how come my fuel was all over on the floor? Didn't know the reason why. So I was trying to find out what's going on. I thought it was my carb, but I was wrong. It wasn't my carb. Even though I spent maybe what, 35 pounds on getting the carb. Yeah, I kind of feel like I just wasted my money, but let me carry on with the story and I will tell you a little bit more. So I called one of my friends over that don't live too far to come sort my car, because I never did it before, because it was new to me to do it. But he didn't come, so I asked my other friend named Spiky I don't know why we called him Spike back then. I think maybe it's because he had was it spiky piercings? Probably that is the reason why it's called Spiky. I really need to ask him who gave him that nickname. So he came over and he checked everything on my bike. I am not nodding to you, bro. And he said that it was fine. The only problem is that he thought it was the earth cable. Now, so he checked everything on my bike. Everything was fine, but he believed that it could be an earth problem. Now, I didn't really click on to what he mean by earth cable. I mean, not earth cable, he didn't say earth cable. All he turned around and said was that it could be your earth problem. And for some reason I didn't click. I did not click right there that my earth cable was loose because of my friend. So he said everything was fine. Everything started up and the compression, everything was fine. But let me get that web off here. There you go. Got a little bit of spider web on your screen there. Because I didn't click on to my earth cable was loosened, I was still trying to figure out what everything else. I went out and got myself a new spark plug. So yeah, I went out and got myself a new spark plug. That didn't work properly. So I was just like, man, what's wrong with my bike? I was just thinking of all the possibilities of what could be wrong with my bike. And then to my friend Aaron came. Thank you very so much, Aaron, man. I really appreciate it that you took the time and helped me out. So he did some checking, but one thing I remembered when this happened, I actually totally forgot. So to mention this in the video, I remember when I was like looking at my oil, because I remember there was a video of a group that I was in. That this guy put a lot of oil on his bike to make it go like this, and I was just like, hold on a second, let me check my oil level. My oil level was at full, and I was like, but hang on a second, I don't remember anything on my knowledge that I put extra oil in my bike. So I was kind of like, scratching my head, but my mind turned around and say, empty out the oil, put some fresh one in, see and find out if it does the trick. Again, I'd like to say thank you to the group, the people in the group and of Facebook of helping me out, because they thought it was the floats, and I can't remember what else they also thought as well. But thank you for their help. When my friend Aaron come back the next day or a couple of days later, when I took off the air filter, because the air filter was contaminated with petrol, and obviously it needed a new filter, so I had to buy myself a new filter. So I was just like, okay, buy that. And but without the air filter, and obviously you see in the video that he was just spewing its guts out. And I remember I mentioned this to Aaron and saying, by the looks of it and also by the smell of it, it's petrol and the oil mixed together. And I said to him, I believe that the petrol is going down into my engine. So he did his research, and obviously I didn't need to do my research, because I know the problem. When he's finished researching on his phone, he says, yeah, that is the problem, you're right. It says all we need to do is drain the oil out and put some fresh one in there, and hopefully that the bike will start fine. So okay, started up and bang, it was working fine. All of this could have been avoided if I just sorted out the earth cable there and then, but I didn't. I said to myself, oh man, I'll wait. It was my biggest mistake right there, me not sorting out my earth cable when my friend loosened it. All of this could have been avoided. Now, let's go back to the carb. My friend took a look at my carb. He told me that my carb was on its way out. So, I guess that it wasn't a waste after all. So, I'm happy that I didn't waste my money for nothing. I'm actually so glad. On that day when I put in the new carb in and my bike didn't start, I was kicking myself. I was literally kicking myself and saying, oh my god, I wasted 35 pounds or whatever, because I thought my bike would start up straight away. It was just my earth cable. All along was my earth cable. But you know, man, we live and learn. We live and learn. So I thought maybe I'd tell you guys this story, just in case that your friend did it or your bike wouldn't start. My money's well spent. I know now I didn't waste my money on buying myself a new car. Yeah, thanks to Aaron for letting me know about that, because I just felt like that I wasted my money. Yeah, guys, this is what happened to Rex. I couldn't go out for a ride. I was getting depressed because I was like trying to make loads of content for you guys. I mean, I'm like way behind on making a lot of content, and I just wanted to get out and just do as many content as possible, talk about something. And I know there are some people on my YouTube channel that they want to see me go on the byways, and some of you have seen me on the byways on my other videos, and I do one for you guys right now in this video, in this motovlog. I'll go on to another byway. Either this is not an off-road and on-road adventure. And here we are, guys, we're on the byway. Man, I really miss being on here. Right now, guys, I'm just going on my destination for you guys. Take some pictures from Instagram. I already did it, but I wanted to change my my intro. So I know I got some messages saying change your intro, man, freaking annoying. So I say if I got time, this is my time, so I'm going out and do it for you guys. And also, when I'm out here, I can actually just, but anyway, I wanted to do some other bits of my YouTube channel, my welcome video, redo that. Let's get on top here and do that for you guys. Or I may have to use some of my old videos. So I wish I would have more videos, but problem is now, when it comes to petrol prices now, if I want to go out more, I gotta make sure that I have money for petrol. If I don't have money for petrol, then I can't do my videos. So I have to be careful on how much I spent. Because you have to remember, guys, that I don't get paid on YouTube. I'd rather be out than be stuck inside. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather be out here enjoying the sunshine, seeing some cool things, and try and enjoy a lot of outdoors, because inside is not fun. Inside is not fun. So yeah, so I'm going to end this video right here. If you want to see what I am doing around here, then you guys have to wait for the next video. Just want to let you guys know as well, all my videos is going to be released on Friday, if I have any video. If I have maybe like 100 videos, or maybe a lot of videos, I think I'm exaggerating about 100 videos. But if I have a lot of videos, instead of seeing one video every Friday, you probably see a video like one video on Monday and one video on Friday. The more videos I get, the more videos that I will bring out. But I can't just throw out every single video to you guys. If I bring out loads of videos every day, I'll have no videos for you. And that's what really happened, because I released videos every day just trying to get loads of subscribers, and then when it gets to the point I have no videos, I've just set myself up. So I'll try my best to bring videos out for you guys, and just let you know that I am at the moment still looking for a place, so I will have to, I'm trying my best, guys. That's all I can do. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Bye.